tutimize na malengo yetu.
Nzitatira Darius mkuru w'entebe ya kishatu abwegombora ya Karusandara yashababa ministry okuteekateeka nakyo kuheereza ebyapa by'amataka agandi agasigaire omugomborreegi.
Naganda amataka agasigire nyuma ahabwe byapa bitirimu bwahati. That is Nyabubare, Chikoga, and also Ngando village. And how abataka basigire nyuma. You know, abante mitima yitu tekwishana nyenda kubagamana n'abataka ekintu akana bakitwara mu kekintu ekokuzana bakubihabiwa no kubihabiwa.
Amugambaho n'abaturage bashobora oburemezi obubatwire nibarabamo abo butagira byapa by'amataka gabo batiyo basima ministry y'amataka ahabwo kubeijuka ekabahereza ebyapa by'amataka gabo ngo hati garinzirwe.
Nemba ngambalekede kyapa ekyo kijja kubanga kikola kino bagasa okusinziira ku ttaka ly'ennina nabo balina otandikirawo okusinziira ku ttaka okusinziira ku ttaka gavumenti yekoze ekiri etukkiriza okutuweereza ekyapa.
Twabere bana Land Commission eriro mwa government baberetenesha mapu wede ewe yechalanga polisi siri kutu chino kwa eritakali sikimu beti njekinja na mabere bya hape kutsibu benzi betu banu bakaba nechapa kuntuna mugomborongo kundebeli bikolo mwa separishes nabo ebya bakanali yabo.
Amukoro ogokworeka ebyapa by'amataka ahambuga nkuru zegombore ya Karusandara hari commissioner w'ebyamataka o ministry y'ebyitaka Kasenge Tomu John Fisher yashobora enkora eyibarabiremu okuhendera emihondano y'ebyamataka obwari kuhereza ebyapa by'amataka abantu ababeere bateganisibwe.
He brought surveyors and left them here to do the subdivision in order to survey all the individual plots, individual vibanjo of all the people and the churches and the mosques and the schools and the community centers. So all that is now done and the maps are here. So those maps, the people are viewing them to see whether the names are properly spelled, whether they are there in the maps, and they know their plot numbers, and in order for them to be able to sign the transfer forms, we have brought the form.
Oguya Hamza abantu babutosha ku ebyapa by'amataka birukworeka ku nibo benyini bakama beitaka.
This matter, there is no conning. There is no, they are not going to be any fake titles. These are real actual titles, like you'd buy land from a private person. These are not going to be certificates of occupancy, because there is a difference between these certificates of title and the certificates of occupancy that government has been able to give out to customary owners of land. But this one, when you get it, is like any other title anyone anywhere in the country.
Retired Lieutenant Joe Warusimbi RDC wa Kasese yashaba abaturage hati okuteekateeka ahakyo kuhandika oburagwa batakarugire omumagara g'enseegi okwehara okushishikara kw'ebirare byabo.
Era bwe ndifa byokulwanira abaana bajja kuba nabyo naye ati nafe ajja kufa mbigane nti buli mwaka nkola wiiru nyinza okubanga nyongeddeko bankendezezza munfuna bulungi totya n'okukola wiiru okukola wiiru si kufa otogamba ate nze buli mwaka nyongerako enkawa gye ndateeka muchachi wana abalala.
Warusimbi yashaba n'abashaija okwesiga abakyala baabo okubabikisa ebintu by'amaka gaabo ebikuru nk'ebyapa by'amataka.
Muyige abasajja okumalirira n'okussa omukwano n'okuba obulinzi defense ku bakyala bamu kubanga abaana bano betuzaala abaana bafuuka munfuna bulungi omwana omuzaala enkya n'akufuukira n'ajja kuleetera ejjamya nti mpa ebyange nga ye yabikola munfuna bulungi n'osanga omufamire ng'omuzadde afudde mutwe gumu naye nga bakayanira ebibiri balinga 20 mitwe 20.
Okworeka ebyapa by'amataka kimazire ebiro bishatu ahambuga nkuru zegombora. Kandi komishona yashobora ngu abaturage nibeja kushashura akasente kake akakwatirine n'ebya stampu n'okuhwera ba ofisa okubakorera aha byapa by'amataka gabo omukubifurura. Gasha kwa mate Isaac Habwatayari West Omurkasese.